Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. In today's session, we will discuss PII data, which is Personally Identifiable Information Data. So PII stands for Personally Identifiable Information. So any information or any data which can identify a specific individual, it is PII. For example, name of a person or his location is or his social number, social security number or his credit card number or anything is called as PII. This PII data is very crucial for privacy, security, and compliance. As you can see in the image as well, there are a few attributes related to one person. One of them is his phone number, his driving license number, his biometric data, his email address. All of these are PII data that belongs to that person. Now, why PII matters? What is the importance of PII? With PII, the identity theft and fraud can be prevented. So, if the organization knows that this is a PII data and it hides it, it secure it, then so many things like identity theft and fraud can be prevented. And also, it will help maintain the customer trust. PII data is required for several compliances like GDPR and HIPAA, which we will discuss in the upcoming slides. Also, PII is the key in data governance and risk management. We will discuss more about data governance and risk management in the upcoming sessions. There are two types of PII. One is direct identifier and second one is indirect identifiers. Direct identifiers can identify a person on their own. For example, full name or email address or passport number. Whereas indirect identifiers with which we can identify a person when we combine several identifiers such as date of birth and zip code and gender and IP address, etc. So where PII is used in everyday life, there are so many places like when we are filling online forms or job applications or health records or financial transactions, all these information are being used every day in the life. And then there are several legal frameworks that organizations need to be compliant with them, such as GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, which belongs to the European Union, and HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of US, and also California Consumer Privacy Act of US. Violating of this will be fined and penalties will be imposed. Now, what are the PII protection techniques? There are several PII protection techniques which are data encryption and access control and authentication and anonymization and having regular audits and monitoring. All these are techniques to protect the PII. Data at rest means the data which is already stored in some place, and data in transit means the data which is being used and is moving across the network. So here are the best practices for handling PII. We need to collect only the necessary data, and the organization has to inform the users of data usage, how the data is going to be used, and we have to implement the role-based access. We will discuss role-based access in the upcoming sessions, and also we need to, as an organization, we need to train the employees on the data protection, and also we need to update the privacy policies regularly. So hence, PII is very sensitive and valuable information, and its proper protection is a legal and ethical responsibility, and organizations must adopt a proactive approach to safeguard PII. Hope you understood the PII data. We will discuss more similar concepts in the upcoming sessions. So please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions and like the video and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.